Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you in angel broking how we can place a GTT order, means good till trigger. This GTT order help traders to place a long time limit order or the target order. So to choose that option you have to go to the main menu. Here you have to click it. Then you can see under trade you can see an option called GTT orders. You have to select that option. So to create a new GTT, go to this create GTT option. As in normal way, either we can search a stock here or whatever stock we already using, you can directly select here. If I want to search Wipro, I'll show you Wipro. You can search it here and directly we can take it by clicking here. Okay, so in this one, okay, what all things we have to notify is, you can see an option here to enter the quantity, trigger price we can enter here, percentage, either you can enter trigger price in percentage or as a price, then on what price order should be executed, that limit price you can enter here. If you want to switch from delivery to margin, you can do it here. If you want to sell, by default it will be buy. If you want to sell, you can use switching this here. And finally you have to agree for these terms. So these are the things you need to consider. Okay, I'll show you live how to do it. Here I am planning for a quantity of 2 number. Okay, so now I have to enter the percentage. By default it will be minus 10 percentage. I am planning only for 5 percentage down. So that means from the current market price, if the price goes by 5 percentage, this order will be enabled in NSE at the price of whatever price I am putting here. So okay, one more thing. This if I am editing the price here directly, automatically percentage will change. So if I am putting 610.5, I will put, that means minus 4.05 percentage. If the price come down, this order will be enabled on the price whatever I am going to enter here. So one thing basically want to notice is, if someone is trying to buy something lower than the current market price, chance of executing that order will be very small. But if I am trying to buy something higher than the current market price, immediately that order will be executed. So in the case of GTT, they scripted in such a way that if you are making a buy order, we can place an order, limit price should be higher than the trigger price. And when you are trying to sell something, limit price should be lesser than trigger price. Means trigger is enabled when market price reaches that one. So limit price and trigger price will be always almost same. So if you are placing a buy order with a higher price, then only order will be executed. In this case, if you can see, if you are trying to place an order with a lower price, if I am trying to get 110, that means now my limit price is lower than the trigger price. We can see what is going to happen. This will not going to continue. You can see we got a message that trigger price should be less than or equal to the price. So that means we can only place a buy order with a trigger price lower than the limit price. So I have to give a higher limit price. So 110.5 is my trigger price. So I am keeping limit price as 610.6. So I am selected delivery from NSE by, okay, everything is correct. I am giving a create GTT. You can see GTT created. So you can see in GTT order book, you can see our GTT order there, full details. So okay, after closing this window, if you want directly see where what is the GTTs we created, you have to go with this option again. GTT orders you can see with the full details. So if you want to see the details, you can click on it. You can see how many quantity TT is there, what is the trigger price, what is order price, type is delivery, then up to what date it will be valid, that also you can see. If you want to modify this order, you can use this option modify. If you want to cancel this order, you can use this option cancel. I will show you with the modify. I'm clicking on modify. I want to make it as a 5%. Then what I have to do is simply select 5, price updated. Then my limit price also I can update like 605, sorry, 605. Then I have to agree. Then modify GTT. So should, okay. That much high difference it will not allow. 0.9 I am keeping. Modify GTT. You can see order is modified, and this modification time also it updated. So then you have to go back. So our GTT order will be there. If at a time if you want to place one more GTT order, you have to go this create new GTT. Like the same way you can select some other stock. The same way you can do like that. New GTTs we can create. So then once you place this in a GTT order, if you would like to cancel that GTT order, go to this option. You have to select GTT orders, click on it and canceling this one. Cancel I am giving. Yes, I am giving. If you want to make a sell GTT order, what you have to do is the same way you have to create new GTT. I am selecting IOC, clicking on it. Instead of buy, you have to select sell. In the case of sell, it can do for the stock whatever we have in our holding. So I am going to my portfolio. I have IOCL in my holding 60 quantity. It's almost reached my target sell price. Usually I'll go with the 10% profit. So it is already reached, so I can sell this one. So I am going with the GTT orders. Create GTT I am doing. IOC I am selecting. NSE I am going to sell. Sell I am selected. Quantity I am putting sell 60. Then current market price is 127. I expect it should come with 131. It may reach, so I am planning to set at 131. Means another 3%. My limit price I am keeping as 131. So in the case of sell, limit price should be less than the trigger price. Then only order will be executed. Agree. Create GTT will give. So if you need the, you will redirect to enter the OTP. Once I have the OTP, once enter the OTP, you will get a confirmation. Then this order will be completed. So I am not going with that process. Process remains the same. I cancel this one. Friends, if you have any questions, please put on the comment line. If you want to open an account with Angel Broking, please check the description of this video. You will get a link to open free Demat and trading account. Thanks for watching my video.